Hello, I'm Joe, Fleet Manager for Steel Truck Transport, and today we're going to go over common points to find a coolant leak and what you can do to fix it or temporarily get by till you get to a repair. Alright, so on this truck we can actually see we have a coolant leak right here by the radiator hose. What we can do first, we can check the clamp is tight. This one is very loose. Tighten it up till it gets snug, then give it just a little more. Don't over tighten it because they will break. And then retest. Best way, start it up, let it get warm. It's going to pressurize the system and you're going to be able to see it leak out. If it's a hose that's leaking, get a proper drain pan and drain the coolant out of the bottom of the radiator if it didn't leak out all already. And get yourself a new hose and loosen up the clamps, pull it off. Now the little line on the other side coming off the reservoir or expansion tank, it can get a pinhole from rubbing up against the charge air pipe. What you do is clean it off the best you can. Loosen up the cap slowly to relieve pressure in the system. Very slow, take it off, it's gonna go kaboom and pop in your face. From there, get yourself your handy electrical tape. Again, try to be careful with it and wrap it up. Sometimes it's easier to take the charge air pipe off to get in here. Wrap it up, it's leaking in this area, best you can. Find yourself your zip ties and just double it up. Go over it. Kind of like what we did with the airline repair. Sounds silly, but it works. It'll get you home or at least to a repair facility to get it taken care of. And just keep going down the line. And that's going to help seal up all the seams in the tape as well. And this pretty much will work. You can even do this on the rubber line like we got there. Easiest way on those is to just get a bigger hose, cut it in half, and wrap around the tube and throw either some really big zip ties or get yourself a hose clamp that's going to wrap around it like we do up there till we get a new hose. If this starts leaking, it's going to be an 8mm. Just tighten it up and you're good. This little plastic hose goes back here. When you're working on it, truck, be careful. These do get brittle. You can easily just touch it and break it, especially if it's cold outside. Have done that. Water pump, you have to take the belt off, belt tensioner off, and then you can remove it. Again, after you drain the coolant into a proper drain pan. If you have any questions about this, put it in the comments. Try to keep up with it and go through it and respond to everybody with as accurate information as possible. If there's any other information or videos you'd like to see, let us know. We will see what we can do to recreate it. Thank you.